Did you know that in North Carolina, you can search the North Carolina Secretary of State website and you can find new and dissolved companies right here. You click on this right here, search type. I can look for new reservations, new businesses, suspensions. Let's go to new businesses. I can search by a particular date range. I'm going to search for all the new businesses in January 2026, starting January 1st, through, and let's go to August 2026. Let's go to August 1st. Let's do next. I can search for all new business types, or I can search for business corporations, limited liabilities, and I can search for nonprofit corporations. Let's just get those three. Hit next. Now I can search for all counties, or I can just go to Davidson County and Davie County, and let's do search. Got to be patient. Hey, how many come back with? 1,291 new records in this date range, January 1st, 2026 to August 1st, 2026. So I can look at all the companies. I can expand this and look at it all I want. So the problem with doing a search is I don't see how I can easily download doing this. So what I've got to do is go back to the top, go back to search. Let's do it again. New businesses. January 1st through August 1st. Let's do next. Let's do bank corporation or business corporations, limited liability, and nonprofits. Do next. I'm going to choose those same counties, Davidson and Davie, and instead of search, I'm going to hit download. Created a comma delimited file. It's going to have about 1,291 records in it. And I'm going to download it to my desktop and then go do with it what I want. So I downloaded that file. Let's go see what we can do with that file. I'm going to go into Google Workspace. I'm going to go to my temp folder, put it somewhere. In my temp folder, I'm going to do new and file upload, and I'm going to go get that CSV file. Desktop, there it is there. This is it, 8:31 this morning. Click on that. It's uploading. And did it bring it here? And there it is there. Corporation name, the date form, citizenship, LLC, nonprofit, business. This is an S Corp. Status, currently active. There's the registered agent name. Cool. Their address, city, state, zip code, permit ID, principal address, principal county. Pretty interesting data. Be nice to have a little bit more like phone number, but pretty useful data. Again, if your goal is to find new businesses, in this case, Davie and Davidson County, so you can find ways to reach out to them and maybe have conversations about how you can help them. I'm Teddy. I'm all about data and information, and I hope this is useful for you.